Do a soccer pack? I'm going! Everybody clear out! Soccer pack! What the fuck is that? Ubisoft, I don't want rubber duckies! I don't want rubber fucking duckies! Am I a joke to you? No, seriously. Am I a fucking joke to you? I have been playing your game loyally for 8, not 6, not 7, but 8 fucking years. The bare minimum you could do is give me Jaeger Black Ice, not this stupid fucking rubber duck. I will pour buttermilk ranch all over my titties and hop into a hot tub. Enough is enough.